Hey there, fellow golf enthusiasts. Are you ready to revolutionize your game in 2024? Today we're delving into the world of golf irons, tailored specifically for beginners and high handicap golfers. It's time to elevate your golfing experience and smash those scores out of the park. Stay tuned till the end to see our top pick. Get set to swing for success with the ultimate golf irons for 2024. Alright, up first, we have the Ping G430 irons. Perfect for beginners and high handicap golfers. Their design boasts confidence and promotes higher ball flight for longer distance shots. In short, the Ping G430 irons perfectly blends performance and forgiveness, helping to bring your game to the next level. Up next is the Callaway Paradigm AI Smoked Irons, a blend of tech and tradition. These irons revolutionize your game with an AI-enabled face cup for increased speed and their smoked PVD finish. Remarkably forgiving, these irons foster consistency for precise shots on the course. Up next, we have the Tailor Made Qi irons. Ideal for beginners and high handicap golfers, they're simple in design and promote a smooth swing. With an enlarged sweet spot for forgiving hits and Qi technology for swing uniformity, these irons are guaranteed to improve your score. The Tailor Made Qi irons are a top-notch choice for golfers aiming for game improvement. Moving on, we have the Titleist T400 irons. Ideal for bringing your game to the next level, these irons feature a wide sole for a better center of gravity. Their design ensures straight shots with its forgiving and large club face. These unique features make the T400 irons a top choice for those seeking a larger, more forgiving iron for their game. We now have the Mizuno JPX923 hot metal high loft irons. The design of these irons offers increased stability and performance, including a responsive club face with a large sweet spot. They come with harmonic impact technology, ensuring great feel and sound on every shot. Ideal for beginners seeking stability and consistency in their game. Moving forward to the next item on our list of iron sets, let's take a look at the mighty Ram FX77 irons. Known for durability, they offer high loft for more distance and forgiveness to improve your game. They balance quality, performance, and value. So for those golfers looking for their first set of golf irons, consider the Ram FX77s. Up next, we have the Cleveland Launcher XL Halo irons. Designed for forgiveness and high launch, they reduce mishits and boost distance to improve your game. Perfect for beginners refining their skills, these irons may be the ideal addition to your bag. Next, we have the Cobra Airx irons. Ideal for beginners due to their lightweight and high launching features. They enhance distance and offer freedom and confidence in your game. For a powerful start in golf, choose the Cobra Airx irons. Wrapping up our list of irons, we have the Wilson Launchpad 2022 irons. These irons offer forgiveness and power, perfect for new golfers trying to improve their game. They lessen the impact of early stage misfires and boost the golf ball's distance with their high launch features. They also balance strength and tolerance, ensuring minor errors don't severely affect your game. So begin your journey of becoming an adept golfer with these exceptional irons. Oh, I almost forgot. Before we conclude our comprehensive look at beginner and high handicap golf irons in 2024, it's time to reveal our top pick. Out of all the irons reviewed, we picked the Ping G430 irons. These irons are celebrated for their exceptional forgiveness, a crucial feature for golfers that can help reduce the impact of poorly struck shots. They offer a perfect balance of performance, delivering on distance, accuracy, and control, thereby promoting confidence in the game. The sleek design and innovative technology makes the Ping G430 irons a game changer for golfers. Get ready to transform your golfing experience with the Ping G430 irons. Well, there you have it. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced golfer trying to improve your skills, the right irons can reshape your game. Enjoy more pars and birdies with 2024's top golf irons. Check the video description for more details and product links. Also, make sure to like and subscribe for more golf videos. Happy golfing!